Welcome to the lesson on plumbing business management and marketing. In this lesson, we'll delve into key areas that are crucial for running a successful plumbing business. These include estimating and bidding, job costing and pricing, and effective marketing and advertising strategies. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the industry, understanding these concepts will help you streamline operations, enhance profitability, and grow your customer base. Estimating and bidding. Estimating and bidding are foundational elements of a plumbing business. Accurately estimating job costs ensures profitability, while skilled bidding helps secure contracts. Let's break down these essential skills. Understanding estimation. Estimating involves predicting the materials, labor, and overheads required for a task. An accurate estimate considers every aspect of the job. Materials, listing necessary materials and their current market prices. Labor, calculating work hours and associated wage rates. Overheads, including indirect costs such as transportation, utility bills, and depreciation. See an image depicting a checklist for estimating here, which can be beneficial. Bidding process. Bidding transforms an estimate into a formal proposal. This proposal highlights your competitive edge and emphasizes your capability to deliver quality service within a set timeline. Key steps in the bidding process include research, understanding the client's needs and expectations thoroughly. Proposal writing, crafting a comprehensive yet concise proposal outlining the scope of work, estimated timeline, and pricing. Presentation, presenting your bid persuasively, highlighting why your company is the best choice. Here are some effective plumbing bidding strategies. Effective plumbing bidding strategies are crucial to win contracts, build reputation, and grow your business. Here are some strategies to help you create winning bids. 1. Accurate estimation. Provide detailed, accurate estimates, including labor costs, materials, and timelines. Break down costs into smaller components to ensure clarity. 2. Understand the project requirements. Carefully review the project specifications, plans, and requirements. Ask questions if you're unsure about any aspect to avoid misunderstandings. 3. Develop a strong company profile. Highlight your company's experience, credentials, licenses, and certifications. Showcase your expertise and reputation in the plumbing industry. 4. Showcase your team. Introduce your team members, including their experience and qualifications. This helps build trust with potential clients. 5. Provide a detailed scope of work. Clearly outline the work to be done, including specific tasks, timelines, and milestones. 6. Highlight your safety record. Emphasize your commitment to safety, including any safety certifications, training programs, or awards. 7. Offer flexible pricing options. Provide different pricing options such as fixed price, time and materials, or cost-plus contracts. 8. Job costing and pricing. Job costing and pricing your services right determine your business's financial health. Effective job costing leads to informed pricing strategies, ensuring both competitiveness and profitability. Job costing methods. Job costing involves tracking all expenses from start to finish. Here are some common methods. Direct costing, focusing on direct expenses related to each job. Activity-based costing ABC, allocating overheads to specific jobs based on activity drivers. Charts illustrating job costing processes here. Here's a comprehensive guide to effective plumbing job costing and pricing. Job costing. Job costing is the process of tracking and calculating the costs associated with a specific plumbing job. Effective job costing helps you to identify profitable jobs and areas for improvement, set accurate prices for your services, make informed decisions about resource allocation. To implement effective job costing, follow these steps. 1. Direct costs. Identify and track direct costs, including materials and supplies. Labor costs, including employee salaries, benefits, and overtime. Equipment rental or purchase costs, subcontractor fees. 2. Indirect costs. Calculate indirect costs, including Overhead expenses: office rent, utilities, insurance, marketing, and advertising expenses. Administrative salaries and benefits. 3. Calculate total job cost. Add direct and indirect costs to determine the total job cost. Pricing strategies: setting the right price requires balancing cost recovery with market competitiveness. Some pricing strategies include pricing strategies. Pricing strategies help you to set competitive prices for your plumbing services while ensuring profitability. Consider the following pricing strategies. 1. Cost plus pricing. Add a markup to the total job cost to determine the selling price. 2. Competitive pricing. Research competitors' prices and adjust your prices accordingly. 3. Value-based pricing. Set prices based on the perceived value of your services to the customer. 4. Time and materials pricing. Charge customers for the actual time and materials used to complete the job. Pricing factors. When setting prices, consider the following factors. 1. Job complexity. More complex jobs may require higher prices. 2. Urgency. Emergency or rush jobs may command higher prices. 3. Location. Jobs in urban areas or areas with high demand may require higher prices. 4. Seasonality. Prices may vary depending on the time of year or seasonal demand. 5. Customer type. Prices may differ for residential, commercial, or industrial customers. Best practices of job pricing. To ensure effective job costing and pricing. 1. Regularly review and update prices. Adjust prices to reflect changes in costs, market conditions, and customer demand. 2. Use job costing software. Utilize software to streamline job costing, invoicing, and pricing. 3. Communicate clearly with customers. Explain pricing and job costs to customers to ensure transparency and build trust. 4. Continuously monitor and improve. Regularly assess your job costing and pricing strategies to identify areas for improvement. Cost plus pricing. Adding a markup percentage to the total cost. Market penetration pricing. Setting lower prices initially to gain market share. Value-based pricing. Pricing based on perceived value rather than cost alone. Marketing and advertising strategies. Marketing plays a pivotal role in attracting and retaining clients. Implementing effective marketing and advertising strategies ensures sustained business growth. Developing a marketing plan. Your marketing plan should cover the following: target market analysis, identifying and understanding your ideal customers. Unique selling proposition, USP, defining what sets your services apart. Channel selection, choosing the right platforms to reach your audience, such as social media, email, or print ads. Advertising techniques. Some effective advertising techniques for plumbing businesses include local SEO, optimizing your online presence to appear in local search results. Pay-per-click PPC advertising, using paid ads to drive traffic to your website. Referral programs, encouraging satisfied customers to refer new clients. Engagement and retention, maintaining client relationships is just as important as acquiring new ones. Implement strategies like customer feedback, regularly gathering feedback to improve services. Loyalty programs, offering discounts or special deals to repeat customers. Summary: in this lesson, we've covered crucial aspects of managing and marketing a plumbing business effectively. By mastering estimating and bidding, you ensure accurate project projections and increase your chances of winning contracts. Through job costing and pricing, you can optimize your pricing strategy to maintain competitiveness and profitability. Finally, leveraging modern marketing and advertising strategies will help your business attract, retain, and engage clients, fostering long-term success. Consider revisiting sections and implementing the discussed strategies to enhance your business operations. Good luck. Happy learning. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in future lessons.